Hey family, and welcome back to my channel, Trey Reviews It. Today we'll be reviewing the Revlon blow dryer brush. If you're interested in seeing how well it performs, stay tuned. All right, I'm back with another Amazon review.
Right now, this is my second one of these. I will tell you, when you do get one, I got this through Ulta. The first one I got through Amazon though. You'll see a few of the specs for this bad boy come up over here, okay? And I will tell you, I absolutely love this blow dryer. It's an honest review. I'm gonna show you basically what I do. I got freshly washed hair here. I'm gonna take each section, put a little oil in it, separate each one into like two, because I like to kind of, you know, make sure I get it real good. But you guys, I'm gonna speed the video up so you can take a look at it and go from there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to add any comments or any suggestions you might have down below. So in case you missed it, guys, the specs on this Revlon blow dryer are: it has detangling bristles, it has a lightweight ergonomic design, large paddle design, a professional swivel cord, so you don't have to worry about it getting super tangled, and multiple heat settings. Okay, so me personally, I like to do the high setting because, you know, my hair can hold a lot of heat, and it helps my hair just straighten out a little more. Also, this is ionic technology, so it conditions, smooth, and it makes the hair shinier while reducing frizz. So I went ahead and separated my hair into 4 sections. Each of those 4 sections I actually break into 2. It just makes it easier for the detangling process, and it also makes it easier for me to get the blow dryer through and make sure that I actually thoroughly dry each section from the roots to the ends. I add a little bit of Blue Magic this time, but sometimes I add a little shea butter with some mix of some argan oil and some black Jamaican castor oil. But whatever works for you, do you, okay? Sometimes I do it and I absolutely put nothing in it because I'm going in with a flat iron afterwards, or I'm trying to achieve a specific type of style. It just depends on what you want to do. Now, what you're going to see me do several times while I'm doing this is pop a glove on my hand. And sometimes I forget, but when that heat get hot, I remember real quick. My hair gets so hot, like it literally can burn my fingertips or scorch the palm of my hand. So what I did was I used, I think it's like a winter glove, something super simple. And I'm right-handed. So I put it on my hand, and I use that to kind of maneuver my hair along with the blow drying paddle brush, because it just makes it easier. And if you can see some of the steam in the video, that's just how it is. But that glove comes in handy. So if you need something like that, that is definitely my suggestion for you, but it makes the process a lot easier.
Okay guys, so I'm finished. Let's see. Okay, so you can see the back. See? Yes, you can see the back. Okay, and then I'm also going to split it down the middle so you can see what the roots are looking like. Hopefully you can see those pretty clear. I mean, it's not a press, but it's a blow dry, and I think it did pretty good. So I would definitely rate this probably about a 8 out of 10. Only reason why I would rate it an 8 out of 10 is because you are going to have a little bit of breakage. So for me, I had a little bit of breakage, but this is normal for me. I just took my hair out of a protective style, and it's normal for my hair to shed this much. So outside of that, oh, and another thing, be mindful. This thing right here, this area up here gets really, really hot. So please be careful. And if you didn't notice, I was putting my gloves on. So I have like 4B, 4C hair, and my hair holds a lot of heat. And so I could literally run this across here and it gets so hot and then run my finger and burn myself. So that's why I wear gloves. So if you're gonna use this, of course, be mindful of that. But outside of that, I think it's awesome. So if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them below. And also, there's a link in the description box for where you can find this on Amazon. It is an affiliate link. So you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.